Do you have a room?
Oh,
Today I will be heading back on my bicycle to the northern town of Tsushima, from where tomorrow I'll board the ferry back to South Korea, Busan. Be along with me and enjoy the beautiful scenery again, like the previous video. Wow, there is a Daiso. No separate. Excuse me, where is bicycle section? Sports.
sports.
Okay. Found it. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
Hi.
Reflection sticker, 16 pieces. Can you help me?
Please scan your items.
Ooh. Oh, wind is so heavy. It's pushing me backwards. I go further. See? Is it the slope or wind? It's wind. But anyway, the view is breathtaking. Look. I should go down there. Let's see. Nice view. River is coming from this way, going into the ocean. So basically the tunnel has been made one way. Thank you. So it was fun. All these cars were waiting for me to pass the tunnel. This is quite a rural area. Do you have a room?
Oh, okay.
Do you have?
Actually, you need a reservation.
Do you have restaurant also here?
Restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
You need like 20 minutes from here. Yeah,
20 minutes by walk or by car?
By 20 minutes by car.
Oh, that's far. That's far. Okay.
So, yeah, by cars.
Huh?
On the boat.
Yeah, we met on the boat.
Oh, I borrowed you hand
Yeah.
next to me.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you are staying here?
yeah, I'm gonna stay here.
Okay. So did you have dinner already?
No,
So where will you eat?
I got the bento.
You already have something with you. Okay, I don't have anything. So, okay. So I might go back.
And you didn't make any reservation?
No.
Oh, really?
Why?
Yeah.
You are leaving tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, you too?
3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, same boat.
Yeah, of course. There are not many boats. Let me check how far it is from here. It's 20 kilometers.
If if you don't mind staying with other people,
Okay.
then you can.
I will go to Hitakatsu.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's not far, 20 kilometers.
Yeah,
Yeah. And
20 minutes
by car, maybe 1 hour by bicycle.
Can I take you for a while?
Yeah, sure.
Where have you been?
Google Map shows me this weird way. It's asking me to take this left turn. The good thing here would be no cars, but it will be quite steep. By the way, it was a dormitory. I didn't have any food with me. I decided to give it a pass. I don't know. It was waiting for me. I'm at remote location. The town I'm destined towards is maybe 15 kilometers from here. And it is quite uphill here. Just a truck driver told me you cannot go through. But I think he told me trucks cannot go through, but the bicycle can. Maybe the road is broken or something. I hope it doesn't turn out to be undesired adventure. I really want to reach that town. For now, going to eat boiled egg. It felt like a race movie. As soon as the main character passes, a truck starts following him. Hello. These are the two trucks who are plotting against me. The local Tsushima bus. So one can travel using this also. I thought there are several hotel options near the ferry terminal, but apparently there are not. So I have booked the same guest house which I did on first day. In this guest house you can rent bikes also. The price may vary depending on season and owner's wish. So friends, the ferry behind me runs between Busan and Tsushima. I will give the link of booking this ferry in the video description. Enjoy, book your ferry and come to Tsushima. This indeed is some crazy stuff, but I have to do it.
The home point has been
Here I go
Please check
into the
on
tunnel. Adjusting my GoPro.